Diddy Combs now facing more than 100 new accusations of sexual assault, one involving an alleged victim just 9 years old.
The disturbing allegations coming just weeks after Combs' arrest for sex trafficking. Eyewitness News reporter Josh Haskell is here with more on the new sexual abuse accusations against Combs, many involving minors.
According to attorney Tony Busby, the legal battle against Sean Diddy Combs is far more extensive than many initially realized. Busby revealed that over 3,000 allegations were originally brought against Diddy, spanning decades. However, through investigations and legal review, these claims have been narrowed down to 120 individuals who allege being victims of misconduct over a 20-year period.
This individual, who was 9 years old at the time, was taken to an audition in New York City with Bad Boy Records. Other boys were there to audition as well. All of them were trying to land a record deal. All of them were minors. This individual was sexually abused, allegedly by Sean Combs and several other people at the studio, in the promise to both his parents and to him himself of getting a record deal.
Busby saying many powerful people will be exposed in court. The victims are made up of 60 men and 60 women from more than 25 states.
This shocking revelation paints a picture of a systemic pattern of alleged abuse, raising questions about the environments Diddy created and the potential enablers within his inner circle. The volume of accusations, even reduced to 120, is staggering and highlights the complexities of pursuing justice in cases involving powerful individuals. The allegations come at a time when the entertainment industry continues to reckon with its history of covering up or ignoring misconduct by influential figures. If proven, this case could become one of the largest scandals involving a public figure in recent years.
Now, these cases will be filed over the next 30 days in Florida, New York, and many here in Los Angeles. According to Busby, some of the victims have already spoken to the FBI.
Allegedly threatening Kirk Burroughs.
He made you give up your ownership in Bad Boy, right?
Back in 2003, Combs founded Bad Boy Records and worked with a business partner named Kirk Burroughs, who served as the company's president and general manager until 1997. Burroughs owned a 25% stake in the record label, but this partnership ended after Combs allegedly threatened him with a baseball bat.
So he came into my office one day unexpected, him and Kenny Marsalis.
Burroughs sued Combs for $25 million, claiming that he was coerced to quit the company through threats of physical violence. Diddy, of course, denied the claims. We never got the full truth, however, as the statute of limitations had expired and the case was dismissed.
He didn't want to honor me with credit. He started erasing my names off the albums.
7. Assaulting a football coach.
Diddy was arrested yesterday for attacking the strength and conditioning coach.
Sal Alosi was the strength and conditioning coach for the UCLA Bruins, a college football team based out of the University of California, Los Angeles. Back in 2015, Alosi had a disagreement with Diddy's son, Justin Combs, who at the time was playing for the Bruins. According to the official report, Alosi kicked Combs out of practice owing to a lack of effort.
You're out of shape, you're soft, etc.
Diddy then confronted Alosi in his office, physically attacking the coach and swinging a kettlebell at one of the interns. Police saw the security video and arrested Combs, charging him with battery and 3 counts of assault with a deadly weapon. The charges constitute a felony, but they were later dropped owing to a lack of evidence.
He attacked the guy allegedly.
5. Number assault of Cindy Rueda.
Sean P. Diddy Combs is allegedly being sued by his former chef, Cindy Rueda.
There have been so many abuse allegations as of late that some people may have forgotten about Diddy's former chef, Cindy Rueda. She first made the news in 2017 when she sued Diddy for sexual harassment and unpaid work, attacking Steve Stout. It was 1999, and Nas just released a music video for his song Hate Me Now. Puff Daddy was featured on the track, and the video showed the rapper being crucified. However, Diddy demanded his scenes be cut from the public release. They did so, but the wrong edit was accidentally sent to MTV, and the channel broadcast the version with Puff Daddy's crucifixion.
For the alleged victims, this is about more than just holding Diddy accountable. It's about amplifying their voices and addressing the broader cultural issues within the music and entertainment industries. As more details unfold, the public will be watching closely to see how the legal system handles such a high-profile and deeply layered case.
Not content with music, Diddy expanded his horizons and started a clothing label in 1998 called Sean John. However, it wasn't long before the controversies began. In 2003, the company was accused of violating labor laws and basic human rights at a factory in Honduras. The reports claim that employees were subjected to mandatory pregnancy tests, worked overtime without pay, subjected to daily body searches, and were forced to obtain passes for the locked bathrooms.
The new collection is great.
Their wages were also not sufficient, with workers being paid sweatshop wages. Former employee Lida Eli Gonzalez said, quote, "We live inhumane lives," a succinct statement for a horrible reality.
You are exhausting me. Let me tell you something. This week has been hella exhausting.
Wendy WIlliams and Sean Diddy Combs have a contentious history that dates back to Williams' days as a radio host in the 1990s and 2000s.
We've got a lot to talk about.
From relationship rumors to questions over his sexuality, Williams often presented her unfiltered opinions on Diddy's life. It was purported that Combs, unhappy with what was being said, not only sent girl group Total to, quote, jump Wendy at her offices, but was later responsible for getting Williams fired.
Wendy WIlliams and Sean Diddy Combs have had a rocky relationship marked by public disputes and personal grievances spanning decades. Their feud began in the late 1990s when Williams, then a radio host, speculated about Diddy's personal life, including his sexuality, which reportedly angered him. She later alleged that Diddy used his influence in the music industry to get her fired from her job at Hot 97. Williams also claimed that Diddy sent members of the girl group Total to confront her physically outside her radio station. Despite a public reconciliation in 2017, when Diddy appeared on her show, tensions resurfaced in recent years. Williams has been vocal about her criticisms, especially in light of the serious allegations against Diddy, stating that it's long overdue for the truth to come out. Their history reflects a complex dynamic of unresolved conflicts and occasional moments of civility.
But you know what I've been doing? I've been really caring about what I put inside of me, and just caring about like what I'm doing to myself. And I think that's the page. That's really the new wave.
Because I haven't seen you in over 15 years, but I'm not seeing wrinkles. I'm seeing good.